Dear audience, so this is a second quiz for the second module of Cisco SMBS certification, which is 700-250 code, and SMBS stands for Small Medium Business Sales Exam. So, are you ready for the quiz? So, this is a short quiz I prepared for you, and the module is 2.0, which is enabling people enhancing workspaces. So that how Cisco works in helping the people in their workspace. So the first question is, which strategy is least likely to contribute to the maximizing employees people potential? So the first option is providing generous performance bonuses. Second is encouraging regular knowledge sharing between teams. Third is implementing strict dress code policies and investing in training and development programs. So since the question is asking about the least one, so I think the least one could be C, implementing strict dress code policies. Yeah, so answer is C is correct. Okay, the question number two is, which element is not crucial for designing a physical comfort workspace? So I think you can, this question is very easy and answer is D. Okay, which digital workspace feature offer the most significant productivity gain? So I think this is also very easy question for you. And the answer is B. Seamless data integration significantly reduces the time spent switching between application and eliminates manual work, boosting productivity. The fourth question is, how can IT teams be most effectively empowered to facilitate operations? So in these questions, I hope you can easily guess the answer. The answer is C. Open communication and collaboration allow IT to understand business needs and tailor solution effectively. Okay, the last but not the least question is, which agile methodology emphasizes flexible project management and continuous improvement? First option is waterfall, Scrum, Kanban, and Gantt chart. So I think B could be the answer. Yes, Scrum emphasizes iterative development cycles, adapting to the changing environments and delivering continuous value. Well done. So I hope you like it. And in the next video, I will be giving you a quiz for module number 3 of SMBS 700-250 exam of Cisco.